Okay, so I've done the tedious process of taking the solder. So you see these little squares? So I'll heat them up to where they ball up into balls like this right here. And then I'll place all the balls you see in there. Try to do it pretty evenly apart. You see there's actually a gap right there, so I'm hoping that it will fill it in. It usually does pretty well. Once I got it up here, it showed the light through it. But anyways, so I placed all of these balls of solder in there. Used to take me a really long time to do this. Now it's not so bad. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna heat the bottom, and you heard all that sizzling. That is the flux bubbling, and if you don't watch it, if you have too much flux in there or you heat it up too fast, it will pop that solder right out of there, just like a hot frying pan. So I'm just gonna heat it evenly, and I'm gonna kind of focus on the outside so that the solder flows down and out towards the joint. So see the silver's turning now, it's turning a color, changing colors. Alright, let's see. I'm just gonna watch it real carefully now. Should flow right here any second now. And these that I have it set on, the metal that I have it set on, these little tweezers, those rob heat as well. So you're gonna kind of watch that starting to flow just a little bit. There we go. Alright, it filled in all those gaps. Come on, brother. Alright, see how it flowed? Alright, I'll just look inside there, see if there's any solder balls left. Nope, looks good to me. Now into the pickle pot.